Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2000 to 2006 Nissan Sentra. This is the left front. There's a plastic screw right there. Just back it out slowly and carefully. Gonna pop off that armrest plastic piece right there. Comes right off with a flathead screwdriver. You get two 10mm bolts behind that. Undo the wiring harness. Take out that one and that one. Now when you pull this off, that bezel around the pull handle is going to pop right off. That makes it the easiest way. Trying to get it off might break it, but believe it or not, just popping off the panel allows that bezel to come out. Just popped off right there. Take off the panel. I'm going to remove this so you can see what's going on. If you need these, you might find them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, upanddownmainstreet.com. Also, if you like this video, if it helped you, please do me a favor and like the video, and that way other people can find it on YouTube. So I'm pulling it down a little bit to get it to where you can get access to the two 10mm bolts there and there. And then a little bit of WD-40 on the two up and down channels on the side that the glass travels in. Makes things much easier. Go ahead and put the glass up. We've got 7 10mm bolts, if I'm not mistaken. Unplug the wiring harness. You probably don't need to remove that metal bracket that's right above what I just took out. Again, if you need these, upanddownmainstreet.com. We'll ship them out usually same day. You'll have it in a couple days. We use the post office priority mail pretty quick. We usually use the post office. Let's slide that in. This one is pretty easy to do, to be honest with you. Tighten down those 7 bolts. Let's plug it in. I'm going to bring the glass down. I may have to put it up an inch or so just to get access to where the bolts need to go. And when you put the bolts in, right there, I realize they need to go up an inch. When you put the bolts in, just be careful. Don't strip them. That can be a problem with the glass clips. So just make sure you get them in correctly and don't over tighten them. Test it out. Look at that. Perfect. This should really only take you about 15 minutes. And now I'm going to put the plastic and the door panel back on. The moisture barrier prevents condensation from coming towards the door panel. It's not vital, but if it's there, let's put it back on. And I think you have the rest of this under control. Again, if this was helpful, do me a favor. Go ahead and like the video, and that would help me a lot. And thank you for watching, and have a great week.